What is going on YouTube? GKL Games here, and today we're back to another video, and on this video we're going to be playing this brand new game called Encounters. And this was actually suggested by a sub Poke, who's always watching the videos and always commenting in the channel, so huge shout out to him. And he told me to play this game called Encounters, as I said, and it's like Super Smash Bros. There's 5k people playing it, so it's pretty big, and it literally just came out, so I decided to, why not, let's check it out. So I just completed the tutorial, which gave me some, extra money. And now we have 2k. Basically, this game, as I said, is like Super Smash Bros, but it's not like the camera angle is not like Super Smash Bros ish, I guess, if that makes no sense, but you guys get what I mean. So this game is not from a particular show or anything. They have original characters, which is actually really cool. I don't see many Roblox games doing that, but basically, as you can see, they have original characters. So of course some of them are going to be based off whatever they're from, but it is still pretty cool to see. So we have Construct right here. The characters also have skins, so there's a magical skin for him, and then none. Okay, there's this one called Ryan, which is obviously based off Kirito. Elite Swordsman skin, and then none. There is this girl named Rena, okay, with a golden skin. Alina, okay. You have Aloysius, I don't know how to say that, but whatever. We have like some ninja-ish guy. Okay, we got Charles Manager. Okay, so he has like ice powers. This one's Dawn, Fiona, Kunso, and he's definitely based off Scorpion. Like, there's no way he's not based off Scorpion. There's Hamza, Hannah, Kurasagni. I'm not even gonna try to say that. Mai, Paktul, Poppy, Synth, Walter, Zhao, and I skipped Seth. Oh, this one actually looks pretty sick. Exit view. Now let's go over here to unlock some champions. Now we have 2k. We should be able to unlock a champion, right? Let's do a spin. Let's go, guys. Let's see. Hopefully we get some good. And we got Charles Magny. Okay, let's spin again. Fiona. Okay, let's spin again. Paktul, and let's spin again. Alina. Okay. Now, how do I equip my characters? I guess when we load in, we're gonna be able to equip. So let's go into casual, I guess. And I guess I'm gonna join this game right here. Yeah, let's just wait for more people to join, and then I'll be back with you guys once we're in. Alright, guys. So I decided to go into competitive mode because it was taking too long to play casual. So, we already found a match. See, this is competitive is easier to find a match. I chose a character that I'd never used before. I'm using who am I using again? I think I'm using Char Magni, or whatever his name is. I think that's who I'm using. Yeah, I'm using him. I didn't get Guaro, so yeah, that's what I'm using. Okay, controls, left shift, hit this, E, okay. Okay, so I also have abilities down there. Okay, that's pretty cool to know. Oh, ain't no way. Oh god, okay, you know what, I'm gonna stay back a little bit, and okay, M1 hold. Oh god, he disappeared. What the hell? Oh, get away from me. Nah. Jesus Christ, bro, this is scary. Hey! Oh no, not today. Okay, I gotta remember this because I already forgot the controls, y'all. Okay. Oh my god, okay, that's E. Oh no. I'm trying to, oh god, what the heck? Okay, so somebody got eliminated. Okay, I'm trying to figure out M2 and launch. Okay, never mind. M2, launch, M2, launch, M2, launch, M2, launch. Oh my god. She goes invisible. That one goes invisible. Oh god. No. Okay, thank god. Oh my god. That guy's golden right there. That guy right there. Look at them. Oh my god. Oh no. What? I'm at, bro, this character's so bad. He can't launch people away. Finally. Oh god. I'm still alive. No, not for long. I'm dead. Ah, damn. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Still alive. I'm gonna try to play a little bit more safer up here. I don't like this character's abilities, to be honest. Like, he doesn't have any more. He didn't get launching abilities. At least from what I can tell. I can try to play from far away, see what happens. Or do I have like any far range moves? So that holds. That's E. That's Q. So what's Q do? So Q. Oh, Q is my ultimate. I forgot about that. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Yeah! Okay. There we go, I ran away from him. Okay, I'm just trying to play safe, y'all. Playing safe must be, it's probably the way. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. Oh god, okay, let them fight. Oh my god, there you go. Okay, damn. This is scary, bro. I'm terrified, actually. I'm not even joking, guys. This is way scarier than it looks. Because it's like, any moment you get punched. There we go. Oh my god, this is scary. Oh wait, he has like a bomb on him. Bro, okay. Back away. Killed you. Where'd the woman with the lady go? Okay, back off. Oh god. Oh god. I'm going back up, guys. I'm going back up. Playing safe. Playing safe. Playing safe. Playing safe. I still got 3 lives. Oh, that dude's gone. Yeah, he's gone. Okay. And then we just help him out over here. My god, this is okay. I'm going quiet a lot. My god, I'm sorry, guys, but okay. Chill. Bro, this is kind of scary. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Like, I'm just trying to figure it out. Everything. I don't even know how I'm still alive, honestly, but you know, we're still going over here. Freeze you. Nah, I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. God, back away. Oh god. This is so scary. I'm back away. Okay, so the other person already left, or did they fully die? I'm not even sure. But okay, calm down, dude. Calm down. I don't like this dude because he doesn't have many, you know, launching away moves, you know? So I don't really like him, but you know, the freezing ability is actually pretty useful. Okay, I've already took 160 hits. Bro, why doesn't that dude just die already? Damn. How hard is it for someone to die? Back away. Okay, they both dead. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, they both have 1 life left. I still have 3 lives. Okay, so we're still in the lead, everybody. We're still in the lead. That's all that matters. Oh my god, no. Oh, I had no stamina. Damn it. I still have 2 lives. Oh my god, anyway, he just killed himself. Yeah, he killed himself. Let's go. Alright, guys. There's only 1 more. Oh god. He's just gonna spam grenades now. He's going to spam grenades. Look at this bozo. He's just gonna spam grenades already. He's gonna spam grenades. And he ain't gonna make it. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh my god, where'd he go? For what? Come on! Oh wait, if I can get close to him. Let's go! No, no, don't come back! Don't come back! Don't come back! I swear to God, if you come back. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, bro! First match and we already winning! 4 kills! Okay, I did not have the most kills, but you already know, bro. I had 2 lives and I survived. Let's go! Okay, I like this game. I like it because I'm winning. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, I'm happy, but you know, guys, think I'm gonna end this video off over here. Let's go. Let's get my rewards, bro. Give them to me. Let me get my 500 crystals. Let's spin for another hero, cause honestly, bro, let's go. Get my hero up here. You know, just because of this, who we're gonna get? Who we're gonna get? Who we're gonna get? We got Dawn, bro. Okay, Dawn. Okay. But you know, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.